How to disable the lobby for any Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can disable the lobby of your Microsoft Teams meeting, which essentially means that anyone will be able to bypass the lobby and enter directly into your Teams meeting. So if you have a lot of attendance and you don't want to enter or admit each and every participant via the lobby, then you can disable the lobby by following these simple and easy steps. So the first step is that when you enter your meeting, you can simply click onto this more actions that is present right here. And once you click onto this more action, you will see the last option in this menu, that is settings. Now simply hover your cursor over to the settings and you will see meeting options and accessibility. From here, click on to this meeting options right here. The moment you will do this, you will see this toggle that says who can bypass the lobby. So based on your meeting policy, people joining without an account, people from untrusted organizations, and people dialing in may wait in the lobby until someone from your or a trusted organization join, despite selecting the everyone option. So from here you can simply click onto this everyone option, and once you will do this, you can click onto the save button, and now basically your lobby is bypassed for the following person, which is mentioned right here in this message. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.